Wait, we only ordered one pizza. Why are there so many boxes at our front door?
I'd love to have pizza today. It would be fun if we could all enjoy one together. Dad, I'm getting hungrier every minute. Could we please order a pizza today? It would make everyone happy, and we could all enjoy lunch together.
Of course, you're getting so good at using the food app. Just open it, find the large pizza deal, and order one for our family. Take your time, read everything carefully, and don't rush. Ordering one large pizza is easy, and I know you can do it all by yourself.
I'm gonna do this perfectly. Dad trusted me, and I'll order exactly what our family needs. This is gonna be so much fun! I found the big family pizza deal. Dad will be so happy because this looks exactly like the one he wanted us to order. I think everything looks perfect. Ordering pizza is much easier than I expected. Dad is going to be really proud of me today. Done! That was super easy. Now all we have to do is wait for our delicious pizza to arrive.
Great, the payment went through. I'll check everything later. I really need to finish this work first. Perfect. Everything must be fine. I'll check the details after I finish this important work.
I did it, Dad! Everything is finished, and I ordered the pizza all by myself. I can't wait for it to arrive.
That was fast. The pizza is already here. Let's go and bring our lunch inside. Hello! Here's your pizza order. Have a wonderful day. Another pizza? That's strange. Maybe the first rider forgot part of the order. Wait, this can't be right. Why does another delivery rider have more pizzas for our house? Something is definitely wrong. Please don't tell me there's a pizza waiting outside. More pizza deliveries? This has to be a mistake. How many pizzas did we actually order today?
Wow, I've never seen so many pizzas in one house before.
This is starting to look really crazy. Hold on. This receipt doesn't look right. Something here is making me very nervous. Oh no! Please tell me I'm reading this wrong. This can't possibly be correct. 111 pizza deals? Oh my goodness! We didn't order one pizza, we ordered an entire pizza.
I thought 111 looked much prettier than just one. I didn't know it meant 111 pizzas.
Oh no! I didn't notice the order details. That explains all these pizzas.
We can't possibly eat all these pizzas ourselves. Maybe there's a better way to turn this big mistake into something wonderful.
We have far more pizza than we could ever eat. Please take some home and enjoy it with your family.
I think this mistake became something really special. Seeing everyone smile makes all these pizzas feel like the best surprise ever. Has your child ever made a funny little mistake that became a huge surprise? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more slow English stories.